You want to earn more money? You want to get dollars from your home? Feel bored from work from office? You want to be freelancer or the right meaning free man? In this video you will know how to earn money only from your skill in writing. Write in sports or about food or news on in human development as you like. In the end you will be the winner. Many competition every week. In many ways fantasy and life story. Prizes. Cash. The winner will receive $100. Runner-up and best peer review will each receive $50. We are immensely grateful to this month's competition sponsor, the Wayne Dyer Family Foundation. The Wayne Dyer Family Foundation is a family-run non-profit dedicated to carrying forward Wayne Dyer's legacy by supporting education, opportunity, and personal growth.